In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project templates in Zoho Projects. If you find yourself building the same project structure over and over, repeating task lists, milestones, or standard descriptions, templates will save you a ton of time and help your team stay consistent. Start by opening Zoho Projects and heading to the Projects tab from the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for everything related to projects, and it's where the template tools live. Once you're in the Projects area, look for the option labeled Project Templates. This section is dedicated to creating and managing reusable frameworks for your future projects. Next, click New Project Template. This will open a form where you'll define the core details of your template. Think of this form as the blueprint creator. What you set up here becomes the foundation for all projects that will use this template in the future. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive template name. A good name should quickly tell you and your team when to use it. For example, include the team, process, or project type in the name so it's easy to spot later. If you have multiple variations for similar work, consider adding a version or quarter to the name to keep things organized. Now use the Choose from Projects option to pick an existing project whose structure you want to save as a template. This is especially helpful if you already have a project that's well structured with the right phases and task lists. You're not copying the live project. You're simply capturing its layout so you don't have to rebuild it. Choose a project that represents your best practice: clean, complete, and free of one-off items that don't apply broadly. Add an overview or description if needed. This is your chance to explain when to use the template, what it includes, and any assumptions or boundaries. If your organization has naming conventions or kickoff steps that should follow, note them here. The description becomes guidance for anyone on your team who selects this template later. When everything looks good, click Add Project Template to save it. Zoho Projects will store it in your Project Templates list, and you'll be able to select it the next time you create a new project. That means your structure, terms, and workflow can be consistent across teams and timelines. If you ever update your processes, you can revisit your templates and refine them to match. And that's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. With templates in place, you'll launch new projects with confidence and consistency every time.